Welcome to English by Bruna.
Hi, I am Bruna. I am an English teacher. I am here to help you practice English every day. We will study from the basic level to the advanced level.
Now let's go to our first lesson. Are you ready? Let's go. To eat. Do you like to eat? Answer in the comments below. To cook. Do you like to cook? Answer in the comments below. To work. To study. To sleep. To rest. To hug. To talk. To swim.
Let's practice. Do you like to sleep?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to work? No, I don't. Do you like to talk?
Yes, I like to talk.
And do you like to study?
Yes, I like to study.
I like to travel, but I don't like to drive. Well, I like to travel and I like to drive too. I like to read. Do you?
I like to read too, but I don't like to write.
I don't like to write either.
Now, let's look at more verbs. To kiss. I like to kiss. Do you?
To run.
I like to run. Do you? To walk. I like to walk. Do you?
To sing.
I like to sing. Do you?
To fish.
I don't like to fish. Do you?
To travel.
I like to travel. Do you?
To read.
I like to read. Do you?
To dance.
I like to dance. Do you? Answer in the comments below.
To drive.
I don't like to drive. Do you?
To write.
I don't like to write. Do you? Do you like to study? Tell us in the comments. That's all for today. Keep practicing your English, and I'll see you in the next class. Do you like? If so, let your like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching this video.
See you in the next class on English by Bruna.